what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Merry Christmas. If you didn't see my Christmas vlog, I'll say that to you again. I got something very cool. If you notice, I'm holding it right now. Oh, what? Look how stable my videos are. Yeah, very cool. I have an awesome girlfriend. She got me a gimbal. Very, very cool gift. Thank you, Lindsay, for that. Yeah, I'm gonna basically use this thing and set up some cool footage, do a vlog style thing today. My business bank account from doing retail arbitrage just hit $1,100, which if you guys have been keeping up with me is enough to launch another new product. So I'm super excited about that. We're gonna be doing a little bit of product research tonight. I'll make that part of the vlog. It's kind of like an Amazon FBA vlog. Yeah, oh, following me, there we go. Yeah, I love this thing. But I'm gonna show you some cool effects of this gimbal. It's the Smooth 4. It's really cool for vlogging, very good for getting very smooth video. So I actually just ended up, wow, look how much unstable, how much more unstable this is without that thing on. I actually just ended up at the grocery store, kind of a foodie, vegan. We're getting some stuff to make vegan French onion dip. It's gonna be pretty good. What you got, Lens?
Those look kind of weird. Orange Thin Mints.
Never buy anything that has a number in the ingredients. Or an equation.
About this? This is so exciting. Winter edition of kombucha. You guys ever been to Marshall's? I don't know if they have it all over the United States. Especially like a big department store. I don't know where you guys are from. My girlfriend's laughing at me. She's like, you're stupid. They're everywhere. I don't know if they are. I love the smell of almond soap.
So good. Especially Dr. Bronner soap. This one's peppermint. I have this one right now. It like burns like in a good way. It's like when you chew gum and then drink cold water. The almond one smells so good.
This was like such a good Amazon FBA product when they come out. Or when they came out on Amazon. It's so saturated now. You have one of these, right?
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
These are actually really good stores to come to and like just kind of like get ideas for stuff, you know? Like these, I just looked at this the other day. This is actually a pretty good product, a micro needler. It's really not too competitive and has a really good amount of sales volume. Just like stuff you wouldn't think of, you know? Especially like in categories that you're not familiar with, like skincare and stuff like that for me. My girlfriend would just come up to me all the time and be like, hey, you should like see if this is a good product. Like she'll get a new product sent to her and like, yeah, like look at this thing. Like what is this? Like lighted tweezers. So like I'll just come here and like put stuff in my notes and then go home and like type it in and see if it's good on Jungle Scout. now. It's actually a pretty good store to do retail arbitrage in. They have like, you have like the toys section or books. You like just use the Amazon seller app and scan barcodes, like the real barcode stuff, not the Goodwill barcode, but like the actual barcode that comes on the unit. And if it's worth double that, you could sell it and makes profit. I don't really do retail arbitrage. I just think it's such a waste of time. I just do online arbitrage since it's so much easier. Let me just flip it around here. A lot of good business books at my house that I'll show you guys that I read that have helped me out tremendously in kind of like my mindset and getting like my financial mindset correct, and just like everything, motivation, what track I'm taking in life, like everything. I'll talk to you guys more about that in another video.
I'm trying to figure out what this is exactly. So it's sewn shut on both sides. I thought it was like a huge beanie at first for dreadlocks, but I don't know. Comment down below if you know what that is. There's no way into it. What is the point of that?
Comment down below if you know what this is. I'm trying to figure out what it is. I don't know. Do you put that on your head or what is that?
Alright, so we have made it home. Today was awesome. Kind of saw just like some of the stuff I do for fun, or you know, on camera. It's easy to like just picture that I'm doing like product research 24/7 and you know, don't eat or sleep. But yeah, I mean, I'm a normal person, so I go out, do stuff with my girlfriend, go to stores, have some fun, grab some coffee. Look at this thing, it's following me around. How cool is that? It's kind of convenient. So yeah, I'm gonna do some product research now because I have more than enough money to launch another product. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm probably not gonna show you guys. Maybe I'll do like a cool like intro kind of scene where like I'm like talking to you guys but you can't hear me and the music's playing and I'm like doing tech stuff on my computer and it like zooms in. All right, let's do that.